Kaugnay ng balitang yan, makakausap natin si Clark International Airport Corporation President Jaime Melo. Magandang hapon po, sir.
Magandang hapon, Mark and Maki.
Sir, kumusta
Good
na po?
afternoon.
Ang pinakamahirap po kasi dyan siguro yung mga na-delayan ng flight, no? Yung mga pasahero, paano po yung mga flights nila at kumusta po yung mga pasahero?
Opo, operational na po ang Clark effective 4 p.m. today. Actually, mga alas 3 nagpapasok na po kami at nag-check-in ang mga pasahero. At we have 10 flights already to be operated from now until today, for today. By tomorrow, we expect almost 100% back to scheduled flights po.
Pero po yung mga naantala, yung na-cancel na yung flights nila simula po nung nagsara yung airport, ano po yung sitwasyon nila?
Yung mga naantala, as of now, dito po sa airport, wala na po yung mga naantala sa labas or yung mga naghahanap ng mga or yung mga na-delay or whatever. Of course, may mga, sabi niyo po nga po, yung mga naantala, yung iba po, depende po sa airline yun kung saan nila ni-rebook. But they are not here in the airport physically. So siguro po na-rebook sila tomorrow or na-rebook sila via Manila. Yun po ang ginawa rin ng mga airlines to alleviate the passengers who were not accommodated in their flight.
Sir, nakikita po namin sa video yung repair po doon sa airport, yung isinagawa niyo po mga repair. Kumusta na po ngayon yung airport?
Mabuti po. We checked and rechecked the structure and the damage. So medyo may konting work in progress pero naka-net po lahat yan. At ngayon medyo wala na po masyadong manggagawa para to make room for the passengers checking in.
Kaya
But of
bukas,
course,
sir, sinasabi ninyo 100% na po, balik na
Close
sa...
to 100%. Oh. We're trying for 100% tomorrow. Kumbaga, back to scheduled flights kami by tomorrow. Yun po ang target rin namin. Of course, it depends also on the airline kung kaya nilang i-mount lahat po yun. Pero we have the commitment of most airlines na they will operate the scheduled flights by tomorrow.
Sir, when you investigated, sir, yung sira po ng airport, bakit po kaya nasira? Was it substandard, you think? O dahil lang po malakas yung pagyanig? Bakit? Ano po kaya yung nangyari?
We really can't say as of this time, especially if we start saying something like substandard. Pero based on what we know and what we observe, yun pong kisame ng counter. Kung matatandaan po ninyo before yung itsura ng counter na yan, nandun po lahat nakakabit yung mga LCD at mga TV ng mga airlines. That's where they display their flight information. So yung part na yun, bumigat po ng bumigat. Mapapansin rin po ninyo, yun lang po ang nahulog na part. All the other ceiling parts are intact. So talagang baka nasobrahan lang po ng LCDs or TVs na kinabit. Okay. Kasi po, if you'll notice also, if you remember po before, dati po, 7 flight lang po tayo in a week.
Opo.
Ang laki na po, naging mga 700 flights na tayo a week. So, lahat po ng airline na yan, naglagay rin po ng mga kanyang FIDS or yung flight information display. So,
Sir,
bumigat naman po, bumigat. Yun ang ano namin.
Suspecha, sir.
Opo.
Sir, habol ko lang po bago po ako magpaalam kasi
Yes, bakit?
yung mga ano lang po, I'm sure dapat po siguro nga airline, pero what can you advise po yung mga pasahero, sir, na na-cancel ng flight, na-delayan ng flight, anong gagawin ba nila, sir? Marami ho kasing sabi hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin nila.
Opo, my advice to the passengers rin po, bago sila pumunta dito, they should check with the airline kung tutuloy yung kanilang flight. And also, as per ang instructions ni Secretary Tugade, there should be no additional expenses with regards to rebooking or an additional fee if it's a higher seat or whatever. Dapat po wala pong additional expenses for the passenger. If they can approach us. We'll help them with the airline.
And I guess they can refund too, sir? Pwede ho ba?
It depends on the airline, but we'll work on the refund. Yun nga rin po, yung mga sumakay ng ng Genesis point-to-point bus, we're willing to refund. If there are passengers who were not accommodated or were affected by the cancellation, we will refund the bus fares.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Okay, Ms. Maki, maraming salamat rin sa pagtawag.
Clark International Airport Corporation President Jaime Melo.